Welcome back. Here we are in Unity now, after Houdini and after Unreal. It's the time for Unity to build a shader. Okay? If you didn't follow along, I have a video from Houdini for this tool. You can watch it if you like, or you can download the tool for free from Gamerant and you can play it on your own. Okay. Today we want to make a shader here, triplanar projection in Unity, which is very easy. But let me show you. Here is the shader. Here's the shader. Not very complicated, but let's build it again from scratch so you can understand it a little bit better. Okay. Now let's create a shader. Create a shader, HD render line, lit shader graph. Let's call it my shader. Okay. Let's open it. Now we need. Let's say I have these two textures. One on top, one on the side. I have mask. Where is it? Let me show you. Here's the mask. It's procedural. Okay. Let first. Let me show you this mask. I think so. Number 80. Yeah, can you see? Here is the mask. And it is from Houdini. Anyway, let's start now. We need two textures. Let's say text 1, another one, text 2. Now we need a normal map. I will add one normal map. Not map, normal map. We need a roughness. Yes, roughness map. What else? Base color, roughness. Yeah. Now let's lerp these two together with a vertex color. Let's say vertex color. Now let's split this because we need only red one for now. Okay, now let's lerp this together. Lerp. Okay, lerp. One. Come on. Why? Why doesn't work? Init texture. Yeah, it needs this one also. Texture today. Now let's red. Where is sorry? Let's see. Let's try it. Where is my shader? And let's add some textures. So texture 1 and texture 2. Good. Now let's style. So link we need styling, tiling. Ah, come on, it doesn't work because we don't have UVs, sorry, and we need triplanar. Okay, we don't need this one. Let's try triplanar. Yeah, now it will work. Yes, triplanar. Okay, and here another one. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. This one is the tiling. Okay, tiling. Okay. Now let's left together. 1, 2. And the red. Yes, tiling. Let's try it. Was it tiling? Yeah. Good. Nice. Now let's add normal map. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Change this type to normal. And take normal map from here. Here. And normal map. Save. And now we have we don't have normal because we need to assign the map. Yes, now we have normal map. Okay, guys. Now let's add roughness. Another one. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Roughness map. And where is smooth? Here. Let's add multiply. Let's control because we need to control this. Let's add the controller smooth map intensity and where is smoothness? Come on. Yes, now here is smoothness and okay. Somewhere here, I think it's good. Now, what else? We have the base color, normal, roughness. Now, we can also get the red, the green channel. Let's blend this together. Let's say color blend color. And red green. Let's see. Yeah, this is. Can you see it? The small one. This is a curvature map from. Yeah. Okay. Also, we are not a little bit more intensity to this by, let's say, by power. Come on. Power. Come on. Of 2 for now and see. Yeah. Let's add a slider for this. intensity. Yes, because we need positive, not negative. Okay, can you see? It breaks the tiling, so it's. But let's clamp it for sure because maybe you're gonna give us some error. So let's clamp between 0 to 1. And this way we make sure it doesn't go below 1. Good. Okay. Here. Now let's we can add a little bit more color from down here because they are in. Let's say this is water, so let's add a little bit dirt here. Okay. Let's try it. It will be a little bit more complicated, but not very hard. Let's get the position. We need the object position. Let's split it, so because we need only the Y. Split. Okay. Now we have Y. Now let's add, so we can make it more down, more up with control. Okay. This float up, Y, add Y. Now let's smooth it with the power, and another one, smooth, power. Okay. Now we have. Now let's clamp it again for sure. From 0 to 1. Okay, can you see it? Now let's add another color. Let's call it dirt. And let's blend again with a blend node. Blend. Let's blend a base with the dirt and this, and I think that is. Let's see. Color, let's say red for now. Yes. Can you see? I think it's too much, but let's play. I don't know. Let's play. Yeah, something like that. Let's make it a bit darker. Or blue. Yes, blue is better. And okay. And you can play with this. Yeah. Much better now. We do that because we don't need, we will break the title, okay? What else? I think no, nothing else. We can play also with this one, with overlay. Overlay is good. I like the overlay. Also, you can say multiply. What is multiply? Yeah, multiply. Yeah, okay. Good. Nice. And what is this? Roughness normal? No, we don't need this. Texture array, wait, here, we don't need this. And now now you can play with this. Let's say 50-50 number. So again, you can download this tool for free from my command. If you like, you can buy me a coffee. If you like the tool, okay? Now everything is procedural. Can you see? Good. Let's play a little bit with extrude max, let's say 9, and see. Yeah. Anyway, that's for this video, guys. Okay. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please like my videos. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.